Here at ASML, I supervise our build and delivery team, which is made up of two departments, which is our top-level integration and our system test of our DUV systems. Our normal day in manufacturing is never the same. It's full of challenges that we have to overcome as a team.
As a cleanroom technician, my day-to-day tasks might include working on different components of the modules that will later become part of a fully assembled lithography machine. As a cleanroom technician, we work on the components of the ASML lithography machines, and we test and make sure that these components are assembled properly so that the machines can produce flawless microchips.
I've been here for 5 years. It's still an everyday challenge, and that's one of the best parts about working at ASML.